Ever wondered why some health issues seem so persistent? Could there be a simple, natural solution that we're overlooking? In today's fast-paced, high-stress world, common health issues like inflammation, nutrient deficiencies, and even stress itself can seem like constant companions. It's easy to reach for over-the-counter relief or prescription solutions, but what if the answer to these common ailments could be found in nature? Enter moringa, a plant native to parts of Africa and Asia, known for its nutrient-rich leaves and a long history of medicinal use. This unassuming plant, often ground into a vibrant green powder, might just be the natural solution we've been missing. From boosting immunity to combating inflammation and stress, moringa is a powerhouse of nutrition and healing properties. But don't just take our word for it. Health experts and researchers alike are singing its praises. Today, we're talking about a superfood that's been gaining popularity worldwide, moringa. But what is it, and how can it help elevate your health? Let's find out. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, is packed with nutrients and antioxidants that can help combat various health issues. Originating from the foothills of the Himalayas in India, Moringa oleifera, or simply moringa, has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Today, it's recognized globally for its nutritional powerhouse status and is cultivated in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Moringa leaves in particular are a nutritional goldmine. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, all crucial for maintaining optimal health. Vitamin A supports vision and immune function. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that can help guard your body against harmful free radicals. And vitamin E, another antioxidant, contributes to the protection of cells from oxidative stress. But that's not all. Moringa leaves are also packed with protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce. This makes moringa a valuable plant-based protein source, especially for vegans and vegetarians. And let's not forget about minerals. Moringa is an excellent source of iron, calcium, and potassium. Iron is vital for red blood cell function and oxygen transport. Calcium is crucial for bone health, and potassium helps maintain normal blood pressure. Moreover, moringa is known for its high fiber content, which aids digestion, and its abundant antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. The tremendous nutrient density of moringa means that it can help address nutritional deficiencies, a common issue in today's world where processed foods often take center stage. By incorporating moringa into your diet, you could significantly boost your nutrient intake and promote overall health. It's no wonder that moringa is often referred to as a miracle tree. Its nutritional profile is simply astounding, offering a myriad of health benefits that can help you thrive. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some experts. By the way, if you're interested in health products, we've compiled a list of our top recommended products. You can find these recommendations in the description box below. Many health professionals and scientific studies have sung praises about moringa. The science behind moringa is as fascinating as it is compelling. Let's delve into the realm of research where this humble plant has proven its mettle. Multiple studies have illuminated the anti-inflammatory properties of moringa. One such study, published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2021, delved into the plant's impact on inflammation. Researchers found that the bioactive compounds in moringa leaves, notably its rich isothiocyanates, can inhibit the production of inflammatory enzymes. This makes moringa a natural and potent ally in combating chronic inflammation, which is often the root cause of diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Similarly, the antioxidant properties of moringa have been extensively studied. A research article published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology in 2022 highlighted that the leaves of the moringa plant are packed with antioxidants. These include vitamin C, beta-carotene, quercetin, and chlorogenic acid. Antioxidants play a critical role in our health by neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body, thereby reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Moringa's stress-reducing properties are another area where science has shed some light. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology in 2023 reported that moringa leaf extract could significantly reduce stress markers in tested subjects. This research suggests moringa's potential as a natural adaptogen, a substance that helps the body resist different types of stress. Now let's hear from the doctors. Dr. Andrew Weil, a prominent figure in integrative medicine, recommends moringa for its diverse health benefits. He highlights its rich nutrient profile, including high levels of protein, vitamin B6, vitamin C, iron, and riboflavin. Similarly, Dr. Josh Axe, a certified doctor of natural medicine, emphasizes the role of moringa in boosting liver function, enhancing skin health, and stabilizing mood and emotions. Dr. Mark Hyman, a practicing family physician and a pioneer in functional medicine, also stands by moringa's health benefits. He points out its potential in balancing hormones, aiding digestion, and enhancing cognitive function. He further underscores the importance of moringa as a food source in combating malnutrition in parts of the world where essential nutrients are scarce. The consensus among health professionals is clear. Moringa is a powerful plant with a wide range of health benefits. It's not just a passing trend or a buzzword. It's a scientifically backed superfood that can provide a significant boost to our health and wellness. So it's clear that moringa is more than just a fad. It's a potent health-boosting superfood. Now that you're aware of the benefits, you might be wondering how to include moringa in your diet. Well, there are a myriad of ways to incorporate this superfood into your daily meals, and it's easier than you might think. Let's start with the simplest method, moringa tea. All you need is a teaspoon of moringa powder, a cup of hot water, and a touch of natural sweetener if you prefer. Stir the moringa powder into the hot water, add your sweetener, and enjoy a warm, nutritious beverage that's packed with beneficial compounds. Next up, smoothies. Smoothies are a fantastic way to consume moringa, especially for those who find its flavor a bit too strong. Add a tablespoon of moringa powder to your favorite fruit or green smoothie. The sweetness of the fruits will balance the earthy taste of the moringa, creating a drink that's both delicious and healthful. Then there's the option of incorporating moringa powder into your cooking. It can be added to soups, stews, or even pasta sauces. The heat from cooking will mellow the flavor of the moringa, making it a subtle addition to your dishes. Just a teaspoon or two can significantly boost the nutritional value of your meal. Moringa can also be used as a salad topping. Sprinkling a bit of moringa powder over your greens not only adds a nutritious punch, but also gives your salad a unique, vibrant color. If you're into baking, try adding moringa powder to your bread, muffins, or pancakes. This can be a great way to sneak some extra nutrients into your diet, especially for those with picky eaters at home. Lastly, moringa capsules are also an option for those who prefer a more straightforward approach. They can be conveniently taken with water, just like any other dietary supplement. In conclusion, there are countless ways to incorporate moringa into your diet. Experiment with different recipes, find what works best for you, and enjoy the health benefits of this amazing superfood. Remember, while moringa can provide a health boost, it's not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. Let's recap the incredible benefits of this superfood. Moringa, often referred to as the miracle tree, is a nutrient powerhouse that can significantly elevate your health. Packed to the brim with proteins, vitamins, and minerals, it's a superfood that stands tall in the world of nutrition. Moringa is a rich source of vitamins A, C, and E, all of which are potent antioxidants that help to protect our cells from damage. It's also a good source of protein, providing all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies can't produce on their own. Going beyond the basics, moringa is a treasure trove of health benefits. It's been found to boost immunity thanks to its high vitamin C content, which is essential for a strong immune system. It also promotes healthy digestion, with its high fiber content aiding in regular bowel movements and its anti-inflammatory properties helping to soothe the digestive tract. But that's not all. Moringa's benefits extend to heart health as well. It's been shown to help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. And for those with diabetes, moringa can be a boon, as it helps to regulate blood sugar levels. What makes moringa truly stand out, however, is the strength of the scientific evidence and doctors' recommendations that back it. Numerous studies have confirmed its health benefits, and many health professionals recommend incorporating moringa into your diet for its nutritional prowess. Now, you might be wondering, how do I add this superfood into my diet? The answer is simple. Moringa powder can easily be sprinkled into smoothies, mixed into soups or stews, or even added to your morning oatmeal. The options are endless, and with its mild, slightly sweet flavor, moringa can fit seamlessly into any meal. With moringa, you're not just adding a new ingredient to your diet, you're elevating your health to a whole new level. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please give it a thumbs up. We'd love to hear your thoughts or experiences with moringa in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. And remember, for more health and wellness content, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And remember, all our recommended health products are below the description. Health is wealth, so let's continue this journey towards a healthier life together. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and stay informed.